Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to remove your Instagram account from your account center. Without any further delay, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to take is open our Instagram app. After opening our Instagram app, we'll be welcomed on our home. From the home page, you'll be able to see your profile on the bottom right corner. You'll have to click on your profile. After clicking on profile, you'll be able to see various features such as edit profile, share profile. You'll also be able to see your posts and your followers and your following. Similarly, on the top right corner, you'll be able to see a hamburger option. You'll have to click on it. Here, after clicking on hamburger option, you'll be welcomed with various features. For now, we will be clicking on settings. Here, after clicking on settings, once again, you'll be able to see various options. After that, you'll be able to see account centers and clicking on account centers. After clicking on account centers, you'll be able to manage your connected experience and account settings across Meta technologies such as Facebook, Instagram, and Meta Horizon. Here, we'll be clicking on the first option from account settings, which will be accounts. Here, as you can see, this is the account center where you'll be able to see all of the pages that you have. Here, I will be removing tech123kl34. I will be clicking on the remove option. Here, you'll be asked if you are sure enough you want to remove your account from the account center. Here, I'll be clicking on remove account. Here you'll be said that your account will lose access to this and all the other connected experience such as managing multiple accounts, logging in across accounts, and sharing across profile. If you're sure enough that you want to remove your account from your account center, click on continue. In this page you'll be said that your Instagram account will be removed from your account center. And once you remove your account from the account center, you won't have access to connected experience. Click on remove your account. Once again, you'll be said that your account has been removed, and if you change your mind, you can re-add this account anytime. Click on OK. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to remove your Instagram account from your account center. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.